Alright, quick little trade recap. Got break even on April Fools. Kind of funny, but honestly, this was a really shitty trade, and there's only one reason why I took it. There's a couple, but this definitely should not be. This once again was not a live account play. This was a strictly an eval play. I did not like conditions at all today. Looked horrible, but yeah, I'm just going to get into it. So we had some pretty good sell side, and we had a rejection wick to the upside. So you can see that on the 4 hour, we swept this high inside of this 4 hour gap. ES, I think we don't really have any 4 hour on the left, but there's nothing too much to look at on ES. We're pretty much the same exact structure. Now we do have this huge up move with little to no retrace at all. You can see there's no 4 hour gap getting retraced into on the hourly. Let's see what we got. We have this hourly that got inverse and ran up. We were respecting this hourly. Once we took this high out inside the 4 hour, we inversed down to the downside on the 1 hour. So we do look pretty bearish here. I'm seeing this as a protected high. Now, one thing to note is that this is a Trump high. Okay, this is from a tweet. I'm pretty sure some bullshit, but this was like 140 points, 167 points. Wow. Get rid of all this extra stuff. So yes, it's a data wick, it's a data high, and that's like, dude, these targets are always amazing to aim for, but I'm seeing this as strictly a protected high, so I'm not looking to trade towards this at all. Now we do have some pretty good sell side. We have this untapped 15 minute. We have this swing low here. We have Asia low, this untapped 4 hour. Not really expecting all of this to get ran through, but I am expecting a bit of a retrace. We took out London, so all that aligns well. Now with market open, we didn't really have anything good at all to even look forward to. Let's see, 25. Okay, so 29. There we go. So market open. We have this 5 minute above. We come down and we retest this 5 minute here. So this is the second time it's holding. We end up running up. Not looking to take any longs. Even though we got this 5 minutes of the upside, I'm not looking to take this because it's a protected high. So it's completely invalid. Let's see. Anything else to really talk about? This is gonna be a very, very quick video, under 10 minutes for sure. We get great displacement to the downside, and we end up getting this 5 minute right here, which is the play I took. Well, I didn't necessarily take this 5 minute exactly, but I waited for a little bit extra confirmation on the 15-second. Just because, we're not really rejecting out of anything. We just pulled back up into here for no reason. I guess we hit OTE of this range right here, but that's about it. I don't really see any other reason why we came up. We didn't even hit the, let's see, there's no 5 minute gap up here. There's I think we were actually holding a 15 minute though. Ended up holding this 15 minute here. But other than that, there's really nothing else that we rejected out of from here. It's just a random ass reversal. Now the reason why I took this was because, of course, not looking for longs at all since this is a protected high. I do see some potential sell side targets. Now they aren't really A+, but I still like them. And we have this 5 minute that previously held twice, so this is gonna be my break-even point. And my entry was not exactly at this 5 minute. It was much lower. It was around right here. But for the sake of the recap, I'm gonna just put it here because I don't remember where my exact entry was. Yeah, we hit this 5 minute, and since my entry was much lower, my break even was actually a little bit of a loss. So I don't really count it as a loss though. It was like down like 200 or something like that, and I was on eval, so I was pretty much just a break even. But I ended up getting that back down to just $30 on each of my evals. So I'll explain how I did that. So this should have 100% been a break even trade. I mean, yeah, this obviously failed, and after this failed, there's really nothing else you can do. We inverse this 5-minute back to the upside here, and I forgot, I don't know what, I did not take this 5-minute for sure, because once again, this is a protected high, and even if I did take that 5-minute, I would have got break even. Especially right here, we have this big candle to the upside. We edge this like a point. We edge that dead high, and then end up dumping down to break even. And I actually caught, what did I catch? I really don't remember. It was something like on the 30 or the 15 second. I took multiple, so. Okay, so I did catch a move right here, I believe it was. I'm not even gonna try to guess which one I took because I truly don't remember, but there was some 30-second play long that I took, and I kind of knew we were gonna go towards this high. I just wasn't sure of it, and I knew we weren't gonna get an A+ model towards it. I mean, like I said, if I took this 5-minute, most likely would have got break even. Wish it did. Let me actually show that because I don't think I did. You can see entries right here. Boom. Yeah, that's a crazy stop rate right there. That's insane, but I really don't remember what I took. I just know it was on the second chart, the 30 or 15 second. I took some play, just try and make back that 200 so I can meet those consistency targets and get these accounts passed within 1 to 2 trades max. So anyways, that's really gonna be it. There's really nothing much for today to talk about. We have a protected high. We have some decent sell side. We failed. We got a long, which is of course invalidated, and then we got a short, which is not A+. It's not invalidated, but it's definitely not A+, I would say. But if you did take it, it was a break even, or at least should have been a break even. And we get a re-entry towards longs here, which is not too bad. I mean, this is a pretty obvious DOL. It's just, and I just don't like targeting protected highs. And that would have gotten break even most likely as well. And then there's really nothing else. So that's gonna be it for this recap. It's April Fool's trading day. I don't know what the fuck is happening, dude. Last week we had a great week. Now we're just back to this bullcrap price action. So we'll see how today goes. Market opens in about exactly an hour. So yeah, we'll see. And yeah, that's gonna be it. Peace.